My Evil Charizard family, this is your boy Evil Charizard 915.
Mama Squirtle.
Alright guys, well, we're coming at you guys to open the Alakazam V. We finally got our hands on one. Yeah, you could hear baby Squirtle in the background. But we're about to upload this one. We're about to open this one, guys. Sorry that we haven't posted in a while. It's just we've been sick lately. And no, we don't have the COVID, guys. It's just we have the flu. But hopefully this video makes up for it. Alright, let's see. Yeah. We'll just leave that there. Hold on. Give me a moment, guys. Alright, guys. Now we got... I just lost the... There's the jumbo card. Yeah, but I'm trying my best to not let it pop out through here. The jumbo card of Alakazam V. Let me take out the promo card. Okay.
No card for you?
Yeah, it's in here somewhere. The promo card. Hopefully you guys can see it.
Checking the light.
Sorry guys that you're seeing my big old finger. It's just trying to let you guys see. I might have to get shorter, you know, so you guys can see me, you know.
Oh, we forgot the sleeves.
Oh, we forgot the sleeves, guys. We just have our door open for some reason. They love to bug us when we're doing our videos, you know. We gotta put in our door, you know, on there. Alright, give me a moment, guys. Okay, excuse that language in the background, guys. That's my mother. Alright, guys, well, like I was saying, I like to be funny once in a while just to lighten up you guys' day. If you guys are having a bad day, hopefully everything gets better soon or the next following day. Just remember, it's not always a bad day. I know we got this COVID still going on, guys. It's 2021. But let's get this on the road. Let's get some sleeves up in here. Is that the... No, that's the big one, huh? Yeah, it's not gonna work.
So just to put in the regular one or what?
But right now, just leave it up like that, but put it regular. No, that one. And then right now, I'll go through my binders and check it out. So, we got 2 Vivid Voltage, guys. We got Pikachu V Max. We got, what was his name? No, that's not Zygarde. I can't remember his name. He's one of the new ones, guys. These are 2 Vivid Voltage. We got another. We got Rebel Clash. And for our last pack, because there's 4 packs in here, guys. They usually go for $19.99. And a Sun and Moon base set. And for you guys that play that TCGO, here's your code card, guys. Most of the time I put out code cards in my videos. Most of the time the times I don't is when we open the dollar packs. I hope you guys were able to claim that card. Alright, so which ones are you gonna pick? Just don't move the table too much. You gonna get those 2? Who's gonna go first?
You can go first.
Alright, we're gonna hit some Rebel. Alright, guys. Rebel Clash. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Or day. Weekdays. Okay, let's see. Let's get this baby on the road. Okay, this thing wants to open. We got a dud card. Code card, guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm pretty much sure you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright, guys, we got Psychic Energy, Karkle, Heatmore, you guys might see it blurry. I'm sorry about that, guys. This thing's trying to focus. We got Zatu, I think I'm gonna have to go like that at an angle. Grubbin, Electrobuzz, Natu, how do you do? That's a saying that Leonhardt says. Honage. Alright. I think it's nice, I think. Impidimp. Trying to get it as clear as I can, guys. We got Reverse Hollow Barborch. Come on. Uh-oh. It's already that time for it. That's right. We're gonna last a little bit long here, guys, to see if I can get it. Well, there you go, guys. It's blurry, I'm sorry. And we got a non-hollow rare Arcanine. Be nice if it was hollow. It's probably that my lens are dirty. Alright.
Let's do Vivid.
Vivid Voltage. Oh yeah, guys, thank you very much for the 218 subscribers, guys. We're almost there. We need 32 subscribers to do the 250. Really? Don't show that. Show the front of it. We need 32 more subscribers to do the 250 subscriber giveaway, guys.
What was it?
4. All these are 4. Dark Energy. Almost got knocked out, guys.
Aromatic Energy.
Alright, let's see.
Galvantula. Looks like it's getting better.
Little by little.
Swallow. Alolan Meowth. Galarian Meowth. Alolan. Duskull.
With the big old light spot in the face.
Right.
A Duskull. Yeah, no, I'm seeing it.
Voltorb.
Baby Squirtle just jacked the candies.
Weedle.
Sorry, guys, it's just we're tripping on our son.
Jobber.
There you go. I gotta figure out where am I gonna put that screen on there.
Reverse Hollow. Ooh. Reverse Hollow. Crocodile.
Ooh, finally we get that one.
And we have a Galarian Dimantin
V.
Look at that beauty.
There you go.
Look at that beauty.
Oh, damn. You threw all the candies out.
In the back, it's a little uneven. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Alright, guys. This is my last pack. Please smash that like button. Oh, wait. Let me put it right here. There you go. That like button. For last pack magic. For me. For your boy Evil Charizard. Vivid Voltage. Alright. Now. Let's see.
Finally, I pull out something.
Right. Alright. Cool. Code card. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. And we got water energy. Water energy. Do it with me, guys. Energy. Nuzleaf. I'm trying to figure out how to do these right without. So you guys could see them right. I think that. No. It's going out again. Sorry, guys, for the glare, guys. And sorry for the glariness of this thing. Memory capsule. We got. What? Guerra.
The giraffe.
The giraffe. It's spelled the same way. You look it this way and that way. They're both spelled the same way. There's a giraffe. Duskull. Feral Seed. Ryulu. Sandile. Whalmer. We got a reverse hollow Electros. Ooh, that's still beauty. Reverse hollow Electros. And for our rare, we got a holographic Lugia, baby. Look at that. It's a beauty. Alright, guys.
Okay, my last pack, guys.
Smash that like button, guys, for last pack magic for Mama Squirtle. Sun and Moon base set. Let me get some sleeves over here if I can sleeve all.
The big ones, just haven't done this one.
No, it's alright. Don't worry. There we go.
If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends. Aw.
Alright.
Code card.
Can you see it? Hopefully they can see it. There we go.
Code card. Sorry if you guys can't see it.
That should be fine right there.
Leaf energy.
Still got me.
Go back.
With the shine.
With the shiny in the face.
Even though there's no holographic to it.
Professor Kukui?
Kukui. Yeah, he's from the lowland region.
He doesn't want to be seen, so he's all blurry. Aquanet?
Or something like that.
Something like that.
Aquanet is actually a fucking hairspray. Sorry for the cuss word, but yeah.
Snowball? Pharaoh?
Yep, Pharaoh. Grubbin.
Spiro. Alolan Grimer. Reverse Hollow Double Colorless Energy. And for a rare, we have Stuntland.
Rare, not where.
A rare.
Alright, guys.
Alright, guys.
That was the last pack, guys. You guys are watching this video. Thank you very much, guys. All to our subscribers, thank you very much, guys, for the love and support. We appreciate you guys. Hopefully we could get big soon. Like I'm telling you guys, once we hit the 250 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway for you guys. So whoever's not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, push that notification link, and hit like and comment below, guys, what you guys think. Other than that, guys, you guys take care. You guys be safe. Thank you very much. We love you guys. You guys stay safe, like I always say. This is your boy Evil Charizard 915.
I was Squirtle.
Alright, guys, we'll see you guys later. Deuce.